Hi, I'm Sean McCoy, co-founder of Faces of Poetry. We recently had a pornography issue. Just what is pornography? What is appropriate for our site? And I talked it over to the poetess, the other co-founder, and we came up with a couple of things. One thing is the Supreme Court definition of obscenity. And it says a thing must be prurient in nature. A thing must be completely devoid of scientific, political, educational, or social value. And lastly, a thing must violate the local community standards. If it meets all three of these things, it is obscene. So I guess we have to figure out what our local community standards are. Myself made a movie where there was just a flash of nudity, but that was in the context of a parody of Marilyn Manson. That's a whole nother thing. We're talking about sexuality here, and for something to be obscene, it must be shown that the average person applying contemporary community standards and viewing the material as a whole would find that the work is predominantly prurient. There's that word again. That it depicts or describes sexual contact in a patently offensive way. So I've pulled out the old thesaurus, looked up the word prurient, and it says sensuous desire, bodily appetite, venereal approach to desire, lust, desire, itch, passion, carnal passion, fleshly lust, prurience or pruriency, etc., etc. So I guess we have to decide what the contemporary community standards of Faces of Poetry are. And I invite comments. We invite comments, and we hopefully can settle this. And certainly, no one would consider the Michelangelo obscene, although there's full frontal nudity. And so, but someone would consider someone in a prurient sexual context obscene. So, somewhere between those two, we have to find a definition of what is obscene, what is primarily prurient. Thanks for listening, and I welcome your feedback.